Hi everybody, this is Nutritionist Tanya, and in this video I'm going to talk about best food combinations as per Ayurveda. Ghee and rice. Ghee is considered a medicinal food in Ayurveda and it is often combined with rice. This combination makes it easy to digest and provides nourishment to the body without affecting the digestive system. Fruits and nuts. Combining fruits with nuts, it's considered a balanced snack in Ayurveda. Fruits provide natural sugars and vitamins, while nuts offer healthy fats and proteins. This combination provides a sustained energy and satisfies hunger. Spices and greens. Ayurveda recommends combining leafy greens with spices such as turmeric, cumin, and ginger. Spices enhances digestion and absorption of nutrients, while greens provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This combination supports detoxification and overall well-being. Lentils and rice. Combining lentils, dal, with rice is a staple in Ayurvedic cuisine. This combination provides a complete protein profile when consumed together, and it is easy to digest. Lentils also provide fiber, while rice offers energy and satiety. Yogurt and honey. Combining yogurt with honey is believed to enhance digestion and promote gut health in Ayurveda. Yogurt contains probiotic for gut health, while honey is considered a natural sweetener with antimicrobial properties. Milk and turmeric. Ayurveda recommends combining milk with turmeric with its anti-inflammatory and immune boosting properties. This combination is often consumed as golden milk or turmeric latte, especially during the colder months, to support overall health and well-being. Vegetables and grains. Ayurveda emphasizes combining a variety of vegetables with whole grains for a balanced nutrition. Vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while grains offer fiber and energy. This combination supports digestion, immunity, and overall health. So these were the few best combinations of food as per Ayurveda. Make sure that you incorporate them in your daily diet. This is Nutritionist Tanya and you are watching HealthFit Nutrition.